This is a 2014 Scarab 195. Comes with matching trailer with a swing tongue, spare tire, bimini and covers included. Nice swim platform. Sun pad. It's equipped with dual captain's chairs. Large bow area with speakers, cup holders, storage under all your seats. Walk-through windshield. There's a ski locker. Snap-out flooring. Both captain chairs do have bolsters. Large glove box. This Scarab does have a battery switch. Stepping up to the helm. Tilt steering wheel. All your gauges. Side controls. This jet boat is rated for 8 people. Cushions do fold up into chairs. All the way across the back when you aren't using the sun pad. Radio is located in the glove box with USB chargers. Large bimini. This 19-foot jet boat, 2014 Scarab, is ready for the water.